All assets and project files are available on my Patreon, the link in the description. First, let's add some pictures that we're going to use for the timeline. I have 3 pictures here that I have prepared for this video. Make sure to upscale all of these pictures to cover the whole frame, because we're going to use them as the background. After that, we're also going to use these same pictures for the overlay. Let's start by duplicating this picture. Then go to Crop and select the ratio to 16:9. Now I'm going to downscale and reposition it a little bit to left, because I'm going to give some space for the timeline pointer on the right side. After that, copy and paste this overlay for each background. And the reason I'm doing this is to make sure that all the overlay pictures are going to have the same coordinate placement, so we don't need to reposition them manually later. Now all we need to do is to change the picture of the duplicated overlays with the pictures that we place on the background, by simply drag and dropping it on top of the previous one. To make the background and the overlay more contrast, I'm going to add a black color background in between them. Then decrease the opacity until the main background slowly appears. Now, let's add the timeline pointer. You can download this from my Patreon. Then rotate it to vertical position and position it on the right side. Then I'm going to upscale it and position the pointer at its top. Make sure that one of the pointer is pointing to the center. Now, let's add text layer to type years. For the font style, I'm going to use Leak Sparta Extra Bold, and let's give it an orange color. Add a drop shadow so it's more contrasted with the background, and slightly decrease the opacity. Now, let's add another text layer for title. I'm going to use the same font style for this one, and also adjust the character. Add a black background. Now, copy these 2 text layers and paste it to every section of the timeline. Then, change the years and the title following the context. And here's our layout for the timeline. Now let's move on to the next step. One of the most common problems when producing documentary videos is that the footage you use usually isn't in great quality, especially if the documentary covers historical topics. On top of that, the video files are of your documentary often extremely large, which takes up a lot of your time and energy when you're uploading it. But don't worry, because there's a solution that has really helped me in producing documentaries, and that is Wondershare UniConverter. Wondershare UniConverter is an all-in-one multimedia solution designed to make enhancement, video conversion, compression, editing, and processing faster and smarter than ever. This tool is a must-have if you are a video editor. For example, here I have some low-resolution historical footage that I'll be using for the documentary. Let's open Wondershare UniConverter and go to the video enhancer. This video enhancer uses the latest Topaz generative enhancement model, powered and supported by Topaz Labs algorithm. It improves your video quality quickly and efficiently, delivering richer details and better clarity compared to other enhancement models. Next, for the video compressor here, I have a few large-sized videos that I want to convert into smaller files for uploading without reducing their resolution. With this tool, you can also compress multiple videos in one time. As you can see, the file size of the first video is 1 GB. Now, let's reduce its size to a smaller size. For this one, I'm going to reduce it to 50%, so the size is going to be 500 MB. And also I'm going to apply the same setting for the second video. There's also a shortcut if you want to adjust the compression size for all your videos at once. You can simply change the settings right down here, and after that, click Compress All. And as you can see, the process is extremely fast, way faster than average compressors. And the best part is, the video quality doesn't drop at all. It looks just as good as the original, even though it has way smaller size. Pretty amazing, right? So if you want to speed up your editing workflow, you can click the link in the description to grab their limited time offer and also free trial, and use this hashtag to share your results. Now, let's animate the timeline pointer. First, position the playhead at the cut of the section. Move backwards 15 frames by pressing Shift and left arrow key 3 times. Add keyframe on transform. Now move forward 15 frames from the cut of the section again. Then drag the timeline pointer upright, but make sure that the next point is still pointing to the number. Then ease the keyframe. So, it's going to look like this. Now you just have to do the same step for the other cut of the section. After we finished with the pointer, now let's animate the text. Follow the keyframe timing of the pointer, which is 15 frames. Add keyframe for both of text layers on transform. Move the playhead to the end frame of the text layer or the cut of the section. Select both of them and reposition the text upward until it disappears from the frame. Then ease the keyframes. So it's going to look like this. Now, let's make an in-animation for the next section. Add keyframes on both of the text layer. Move forward 15 frames. Add another keyframes. Select the text layers, then move the playhead to the first keyframes and reposition them downward until they disappear. Don't forget to ease them as well. So, it's going to look like this. Now, all you need to do is to copy and paste these in and out animation keyframes for the next text transition. Let's select this out animation from the first text layer and copy it. Then paste it at the end of the second text layer. Now, let's copy the in-animation keyframe from the second text layer and paste it here. So, it's going to look like this. Now, we're going to do the same step for the overlay picture as well. Add keyframe. Move forward 15 frames. Add another keyframe. Go back to the first keyframe and reposition the picture so it comes from the bottom of the frame. Then ease the keyframe. So it's gonna look like this. And now you just have to copy and paste the keyframe again to another section. So it's going to look like this. Now, for the background picture, I'm just going to add a subtle zoom-in animation for all of them. Let's add a keyframe at the first frame. Move forward to the end of the section. Then upscale the size of the picture. Now, you just have to apply the same steps for all the background pictures. So, it's gonna look like this. Now, for the final step, let's add transition and some effects. For the transition, I'm just going to apply it for the background pictures, and the transition that I'm going to use here is called blur. Let's apply it here. And also here. It's going to look like this. Now, let's add an effect. So the one and only effect that I'm going to use here is called DV texture. Let's place it below the overlay layers, then apply it to the whole duration. You can set the setting to your liking, but I would prefer to use the default settings, because it's looked nice in my opinion. And then for the final touch, I'm going to add a vignette using the adjustment layer. Scroll down to the bottom on the settings and increase the vignette. And here is the final result. That's the video for today. I hope this helped you. Thank you guys for watching, and thanks to my Patreon for supporting this channel. And also thank you so much to Wondershare for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.